Welcome, you're listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. The number of coronavirus cases crossed the 1 lakh mark in the country on Tuesday, while the death toll due to the infection touched 3,163. A total number of 134 deaths and 4,970 COVID-19 cases were reported in the country in the past 24 hours since 8 p.m. on Monday. The total number of coronavirus cases has risen to 1,01,139, the ministry said. The number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 58,802, while 39,173 people have recovered and one patient has migrated. Of the 134 deaths reported since Monday morning, 51 were in Maharashtra, 35 in Gujarat, 14 in Uttar Pradesh, 8 in Delhi, 7 in Rajasthan, 6 in West Bengal, 4 in Madhya Pradesh, 3 in Tamil Nadu, 2 each in Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, and 1 each in Bihar and Telangana. Of the 3,163 fatalities, Maharashtra topped Delhi with 1,249 deaths, Gujarat comes second with 694 deaths, followed by Madhya Pradesh at 252, West Bengal at 244, Delhi at 168, Rajasthan at 138, Uttar Pradesh at 118, Tamil Nadu at 81 and Andhra Pradesh at 50. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has implemented the decision to cut employees' provident fund contribution to 10% from the existing 12% for 3 months till July. This would increase 4.3 crore organised sector employees' take-home pay and reduce the liability of 6.5 lakh employees reeling under liquidity crunch under lockdown to contain COVID-19. The decision is estimated to infuse liquidity of Rs 6,750 crore in the next 3 months. The Labour Ministry, in a notification issued on Monday, stated that the reduction in EPF contribution shall be applicable in respect of wages payable by it for the month of May, June and July 2020. Therefore, the take-home pay due in June, July and August would increase, while the employer contribution due in June, July and August would reduce. US President Donald Trump has warned the World Health Organization that it may defund the agency unless it commits to major improvement within the next 30 days. In a letter to WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, blamed the UN agency of failing to contain the pandemic and promised to reconsider US membership of the organization if the agency fails to do any course correction. Trump had stopped US funding for WHO in the April after reviewing the agency's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Urging the WHO to make itself independent of Chinese influence, the letter claims that the WHO consistently ignored reports of the virus spreading in Wuhan in early December, including one from the Lancet journal. The warning from Trump comes at a time when he himself faced criticism for the handling of the pandemic, as the United States, currently the worst affected country, having more than 1.5 million COVID-19 cases and at least 90,000 deaths, as per the data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. 2 Hizbul Mujahideen militants were on Tuesday killed and 3 security forces personnel, including a CRPF Jawan, were injured in an encounter which ensued after coordinated search operation was launched in downtown in Srinagar, where cellular and mobile internet services were suspended for security reasons. A police official told that following special information about the presence of militants, a joint CASO was launched by Special Operation Group of J&K Police and CRPF at densely populated Kani Bazar area in Nawakandal, Srinagar. He said when security forces were moving towards the target house, the militant hiding there fired at them with automatic weapons. Security forces retaliated, ensuing in an encounter and gunned down militants. That is all for the Today News Bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.